Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk all things automation and no-code. Today we're checking out something that's been going viral, Warmwind OS. It claims to be an AI employee that works 24/7 in the cloud, even while you sleep. But how does it really compare to tools like n8n, which many of us use for automation? Let's break it down. So first, what actually is Warmwind? It's not just another chatbot or writing assistant. It's being pitched as an AI operating system that acts like a virtual employee. Here's how it works. It sees your screen like a human would. It can read, click, type, drag, and drop. It can automate tasks across apps like filling forms, sending emails, organizing files without needing APIs or code. It's designed to be incredibly simple. You just tell it what you want in natural language, and it runs in the cloud. That means your AI employees keep working even when your computer is off. Now let's talk about n8n. If you're on this channel, you probably already know it. But for anyone new, n8n is an open source automation tool that lets you build workflows using nodes and triggers. It connects to hundreds of services via APIs. You can build highly customized, advanced automations. You can self-host it or use their cloud service. It's flexible and very developer-friendly, but it does require understanding APIs and data structures. In other words, n8n is more like your personal automation factory. So what's the big difference? Warmwind is going after people who don't want to deal with APIs at all. It uses advanced AI vision to actually see the screen. It clicks buttons, dismisses pop-ups, types in forms, just like a human assistant would. That means you can automate any software, even if it doesn't have an API. It's like hiring a virtual assistant who never sleeps. Let's compare them side by side. Warmwind Pros, super easy to get started. No code, no APIs needed, can automate any app you can use in a browser. Cloud-based, runs even when your computer is off. Warmwind Cons, you have less control over logic and error handling, might struggle with very complex workflows. Privacy concerns, your tasks run in their cloud, can get expensive at scale. n8n Pros, open source and self-hostable, extremely customizable, can build very advanced logic and branching, integrates with APIs natively. n8n Cons, steeper learning curve, needs API keys and technical setup, limited for apps that don't have good APIs, e.g. some old school interfaces. So here's my take as someone who builds automations. Warmwind is amazing if you want an AI virtual employee with zero coding. It's great for solo founders, small businesses, anyone who wants to automate repetitive tasks on any app. But if you want total control over your automation workflows, want to integrate with APIs directly, and want something that's open and self-hostable, n8n is still the better choice. Personally, I think they complement each other. You could even use Warmwind for UI tasks and n8n for back-end integrations. They're both powerful in different ways. But what do you think? Would you use something like Warmwind? Or do you prefer building in n8n? Comment below and let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.